I think my wife has a sixth sense. She knows exactly when I sit down, and that is the exact timing that I get a text saying, hey, you need to do something. Today, we have to clean the stove. This is quite a simple task, and it just takes a little bit of elbow grease. But can I use my 3D printer to make it a little easier? So of course I'm filming this intro and it took minimal elbow grease to get that all taken care of, but sometimes it takes a decent amount of scrubbing. So I'm gonna come up with an idea that'll help me out a little bit. So what I'm thinking is I got my Milwaukee M18 impact gun with a 3/8 adapter on it. I have my Scotch-Brite pad. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna make a small attachment that goes on here, holds the pad, boom. So let's head up to the computer, get Fusion 360 out, see if we can fix this. All right, 5 minutes later, this is what I got. Keep it simple, stupid. Just something I can push down on top of the scrub pad and spin her up. She done. Simple enough. Do the same little prep routine here. Throw a little bit of this sauce on there. Give it a light rub in and then we'll let it sit for a minute or two. All right, easy peasy. Easy peasy. See you next time.